Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can block pop-up ads on Android phones. Blocking pop-up ads on an Android phone is essential for a smoother and safer browsing experience, and this is a step-by-step guide that can be used uh, blocking the ads. So the first one, you can enable pop-up blocking in your browser. So in the Google Chrome, if you are using it, you can just open it and then tap on the three dots icon, scroll down until you find the settings, and then here scroll down again and tap on site settings. Now in here you can see or find the pop-ups and redirects. Just scroll down, this one's right here. So ensure that the toggle is set to block. So I've already done that, so any pop-up ads will be blocked. And the second one, you can also turn on data saver or light mode. So in Chrome you can go to settings again and find the light mode or data saver. You can just turn it on to reduce data usage and block intrusive ads. And step 3, you can use an ad blocking application. You can download a trusted ad blocker app like AdGuard or AdBlock Plus from the Google Play Store. You can just open your Play Store, click on search and find it. For example, I'm going to find the AdGuard. In here you can just see this is the content blocker, so you can just follow the app's setup instruction to block ads across apps and browser. And 4, you can check the app permissions. You can go to the settings on your phone and then find apps and go to the manage apps, or open the apps on a specific apps. You can just review the apps with access to your device and uninstall unknown or suspicious apps that might be causing pop-ups. And the next one, you can disable notification from specific apps. You can open settings and find notifications, and in here you can just go to the app notifications and scroll to the app list and disable notifications for any app showing unwanted ads. And the next steps is enable the Play Protect. You can go to the Google Play Store and then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner and then select Play Protect. Then go to the settings and then just turn on the scan apps with the Play Protect. So by turning it on, it will ensure the harmful apps that may cause ads are detected and removed. And you can also use private DNS. If you're using Android 9 and above, you can go to settings, connections and more connection settings and find private DNS settings. You can select private DNS provider hostname and enter a DNS hostname like dns.adguard.com or dns.google, and you can just save it. And the last one, you can also do factory reset. So if persistent ads remain, you can back up your data and perform a factory reset. You can go to the settings and then find system in here and just find the reset options, this one. And that was it. You can just do the factory reset. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.